Hi everyone, welcome to this channel Geography, Society and Environment. I am Amit Sarkar, lecturer of Geography at Govardhan Hindu College. Today I am going to show you the tricks, the techniques by which you can manipulate, you can handle or you can change the inserted table properties, border and shading of in Microsoft Office or 2010. So let's do it. You have to open Microsoft Word. I am opening Microsoft Office Word 2010. Then go to Insert and Table. Then you can choose any format, your dividend table, row and column. Then you can another way you can insert table by insert table properties. Here you can see that I am inserted. Here you can see that here you can see that I have inserted a table and I am now adding in draw table. In the same way you can draw table like I have already added a table as you wish. Here I am drawing table like the previous. You can input your data and statistics in the table row and column. Now I am deleting this table, both the table, and I am going to insert my my table. You can see that the table I have prepared this table. There is a table table tab, and there is so many options, drop down options of table. You have to select the table first, then now select all borders. You can see that the all borders of the table have deleted. Then select the table again and select all borders. You can see that the all borders have come again. Then you can select the table and select bottom. Then I am going to delete the top border by select the top border. All the borders as your wish. Outside border, you can see that only outside border have placed. Then inside horizontal border, the horizontal border have come again. You can see that. Then inside vertical border, you can see that the vertical border also come again, who is usually or typically used for any kind of research purposes or any kind of standard worksheet or any kind of academic purposes. For this purpose, you have to delete all the borders. You can see that I am going to select the table and then drop down the table button, and you can see the I am selecting all borders. All borders have been dropped down the border bottom, select table bottom and select border bottom border. You can see the only bottom border have come. Then select the top border. You can see the top border have come. Going to insert border just below the heading, below the headlines of the table. Going to the border table button and click on bottom border.